today's video, I and our students are going to be doing a flexibility challenge. Woo! So let's go. I'm going to begin. I'm going to do first. Let's go. Tiffany. Nobody can do this. Let's see who gets it. Who wants to go first? Yeah, let's start by iPhone. Leave it first. Leave it like a little touch. No! One, David negative. Out, out. No sticker for you. Coming out, coming out. It's that. Let's see who says simple. It's simple now. It's simple. I am Mmeso. Okay, now. I thought you said it's simple. It's simple. No, stuck there. The wash. The wash. Let's see about Mmeso. No, my back is not feeling me here. Okay. It's from inside. It's from inside. I put it to the other way round. Bring out your hand like that. Bring out your hand from the front. Yeah. No. Yes. From there. Now put it in the back. Oh my God. She's almost there. Cannot do that one. Let's just try now. Let's see. Show the other. Do the hand. Hey. Yes. Don't worry about that. I slap them. Going to be the last. Last person. Stop. Not, but it's like unified. Right.
Sophia's son.
Put your leg. Put it down. Or people come up with the leg that they can do like that.
Amanda.
After Amanda, maybe it's like going to do that later. Now. No, maybe it's wait, you don't understand.
You don't understand. Next person.
Nobody get a sticker.
Nobody got Sonia's challenge. David, is your turn.
David, give us a challenge. Give us. Wait, I'm thinking. Thinking of a challenge that's not going to be no sticker.
David, what is your challenge now? Eh?
Okay, it's a lie.
Handstand.
It's a lie, okay? It's not lie. First step forward, first step back.
Who is this? No. Okay, now. No, you failed. You did not get it. Amanda.
But if it is the line, you just only walk forward, you now forward. Yes. Good boy, get you good. What first step? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, nobody got David's challenge.
Oh,
Who is that? Munachi, do your own.
No, it's not for me because it is tender. I will just get my sticker.
Okay. Oh. Okay. No, you're supposed to do it the way she do it. If you cannot do it the way she do it, that means you have failed. Yes. She did it that way and she not knelt down.
Wait, so I'm not feeling it.
Okay now. Oh, you have failed.
David is on top. It's David's face. David, try again.
David, he tried, but he cannot put his leg like that.
Try again. No. Calm down. Not me.
Hey, he tried.
Try.
Yes. Yeah, we're going to give him. No, he tried. He got it, please. I put it on his head. Alright, who is this? Mmeso. Mmeso, Mmeso. After, you know how many stickers. We don't know. Mmeso cannot do it. Next person, Amanda. Your knee now, that you cannot do it. That's what it means. Come out, Mmeso. Mmeso say it's her knee. That means you cannot do it now. Okay.
What a shame.
No, should we win a sticker from another person's own?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Okay.
I'm forming a hard thing nobody can.
Amanda, let's go. Go up. Can you take it up?
Monday, God, no.
Go up now. Oh, a fish. Dolphin. Amanda, come out, please. Who is this?
Next.
Atsugo. Sophia, it's Sophia's turn.
I want them back.
Amanda, please come out fast.
I'm Simon. I give you a big bag. Shut up. Yes.
Yeah! Yeah, she went up now. She got it. A sticker.
I'm clapping for her. I'm supposed to be angry.
You did not get it. Ashwu got it. Yay! Respect yourself. Tiffany.
You great job. You don't want to have me.
Put that leg on your laps. And bring the other one. Oh yeah, you cannot do it. Next person, please. Who's Mmeso? Do your challenge. Do your challenge.
Come on, Tiffany.
Tiffany, come out.
Tiffany.
Okay. Okay, calm down. Let others try.
It's Sonia. Yep, it's me. Me.
No,
Me.
Fast. Be fast now. Yes.
Your sticker is coming from you. Mmeso, don't give It's me.
Give Mmeso. Let Mmeso give you. It's Mmeso that will give you the sticker. Okay.
Do not deliver us.
Okay, David is already there. Hey, David did not get it. You did not get it.
Come on, Tiffany. What I'm telling you. Good.
Yes, I think she got it now. Her legs are flying.
Is this one?
Hey, sorry, I really did
Amanda, it's your turn. Come back, Tiffany.
Wait, oh, wait. Give her fast now. We don't have time.
What?
Who is next?
It's Amanda.
Amanda, let's go.
We can do this. We have a sticker. Don't do this. Wait.
Remember, it's only one attempt. So.
Balance.
Amanda is shocked.
Finish.
Tiffany just wants to dash you people's stick. Okay. No, nobody have to do it. Oh yeah, who is doing this? No, she hold her leg. I don't remember.
Do that. Yeah, like that. Kick inside. She do like this. Oh, do that. That's good. Okay.
Oh yeah, go.
I survived this one. And then I was this Sonia to fail. Win. Take it. So guys, this is the end of the video. See you guys in the next video. Bye.